Good day, everyone. For today's discussion, together with Miss Ruth Duhay Longsod, we're gonna talk about the celestial sphere. Celestial sphere is an imaginary sphere surrounding Earth that contains all the objects we see when we look at the sky. As you can see in the picture, there's a half circle that looks like a dome. The cover, which is the color red, is the celestial sphere, and the color yellow are the stars that attach to the sphere. Celestial sphere is basically used in astronomy as their tool to locate the objects within above our sky.
Parts of celestial sphere, namely the zenith, horizon, altitude, and the azimuth. The zenith is the imaginary point of the celestial sphere from the observer, which have a 90-degree altitude from the location of its observer, while the horizon is the line or edge where the sky and earth meets. Celestial meridian. It is an arc that goes through the north point on the horizon, zenith, and the south point on the horizon. Next is the altitude. The altitude is the height above the horizon in degrees, meaning to say the altitude of the object is the angle between the horizon. Lastly, the azimuth. The azimuth measures the degree of the distance of the object from the north. Unlike the Earth's rotation, celestial sphere rotates daily from east to west. However, in the northern celestial pole, there's a certain star that does not move at all. The special location of celestial sphere are the North Celestial Sphere, the South Celestial Sphere, and lastly the celestial equator. The North Celestial Sphere is located directly above the Earth's North Pole and near the star Polaris. On the other hand, the South Celestial Sphere can be found directly above the Earth's South Pole, and it is not nearby any bright star. Lastly, the celestial equator equally encircles the Earth's equator. Subsequently, let me add some key terms, which are the declination and the right ascension. Declination refers to the celestial sphere's latitude and is expressed or measured in degrees. Positive signs refer to the north, while the negative sign refers to the location of the south. The celestial equator is measured by 0 degrees, just like the horizon, while the two poles have positive 90 degrees and negative 90 degrees. In the right ascension, it covers the celestial sphere's longitude and measured in hours eastward along the celestial equator from the vernal equinox. The vernal equinox is the point wherein the ecliptic intersects the celestial equator, while the ecliptic serves as the annual pathway of the sun when the Earth is orbiting. It also marks the line when an eclipse occurs.
That's all for today's discussion. I hope you learned something from us. Thanks for watching. Bye!